This is long division part 2. If you have not watched part 1, please watch it for better understanding of the concept of long division. So let's get right into it. Here we are asked to divide 336 by 6. So these are the steps you need to follow for long division. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. After that, you repeat the process where necessary. So let's continue. 6 into 3. How many 6 can you pull out of 3? Of course, it's not possible. It's 0 because 6 is bigger than 3. So you write your 0, you have divided. The next step is multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. The next step is subtract. 3 minus 0, of course, is 3. Bring down. You bring down the digits close to this 3. So now we have 33. So you repeat the same process because we are not through yet. 6 into 33. How many 6 can you pull out 33? How many 6 are in 33? Of course, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. This one is out because it's more than 33. So the one closer to it, closest, is 30, which is 5. So you have 5, 6 in 33. 5 times. So write your 5 here. So we have divided 5 times 6. Now multiplying. 5 times 6 is 30. The next step is subtract. This will give you 3. We have subtracted. The next step is bring down. Bring down the number close, the next number or digit, you bring it down. Bring it down here. Good. So you repeat because we are not through yet. So you repeat this process. 6 into 36. How many 6 can you pull out of 36? The answer is 6 exactly. 36. 6 times. So write your 6. They are divided. 6 times 6 is 36. You subtract. If you subtract, you get 0. And that is end. No number to bring down. So you have come to the end of this long division. That is simply how to do long division by following these 4 steps. As I said in the first video, one way to remember these steps is dirty D. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Dirty monkeys smell bad. Or dad, mom, sister, and brother. So in the next video, we shall handle more advanced problems in long division. If this video has helped you in any way, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.